Hi everyone. In this class, I'm going to explain how to multiply two 3 digits number according to Vedic mathematics. So it saves over 70% of the time, and it's very easy to do that. And I explain each and every step very clearly. There will be 5 steps. There will be 5 steps, and you can get answer in a single line. See, this is really wonderful. Then in usual multiplication, we get the answer in 4 lines, isn't it? While multiplying 3 digits. But here, in single line, you will get answer. Okay. Let us do it. I'll show example. I'm going to show you each and every step very clearly. Okay. Let us start the first step and see. I have taken 121, 221, 122, 122, 221. So first I'll explain you the step, how to do that. So first step, first column. Second step, 2 columns. Third step, 3 columns. See, don't understand mistakenly. First step, first column. Second step, not second column. First step, first column. Second step, 2 columns. You have to multiply these 2 columns. Second step. Third step, you should multiply all 3 columns. Fourth step, you should multiply last 2 columns. Fifth step, last column. So first step, first you multiply first column, then first 2 columns, then all 3 columns. See, 1, 2, 3. 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns. After that, last 2 columns, last column. That's it. In single line, you will get the answer. Let us do it then. First step, only first column. No, this is the first column. 1, 2, 2. That's it. We completed the first step. How easy? It's taking less than 1 second. And second step, 2 columns. These 2 columns you have taken. You should take. First step, first column you have taken. No, second step you should multiply 2 columns. So how to multiply 2 columns? Multiplying 2 columns means you should do cross multiplication. Okay. Then cross multiplication, 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 2, 4. 2 plus 4. Then I will show you in another. I will show here second step, okay, so that you can understand very easily. See, so this is the second step. Second step, 2 columns like this. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. So for second step, you got answer 6. Okay, now then we move to the next column, next step, third step. In third step, what we should do? In third step, we have to multiply all 3 columns. Okay, first step means first column, we know how to do that, we did it. And second step, 2 columns. Then we understood how to multiply 2 columns. Then third one, it looks strange, we have to multiply all 3 columns. No, how can we multiply all 3 columns? See, first you cross multiply last columns. These are the last columns. No, you should multiply last 2 columns like this. Okay, now so 1 1s are, you got 1, 2 2s are, you got 4. Now you multiply this vertically, middle one you multiply vertically. 2 2s are 4. That's 1 plus 4 plus 4, you got answer 9. Okay, now we move forward. So first step we completed, second step we completed, and what is the next step? Third step also we completed. Fourth step, you see, fourth step, last 2 columns. Okay, last 2 columns. Then how to multiply last 2 columns? You know how to multiply 2 columns. No, these are the last 2 columns. Cross multiply. 2 1s are 2 plus this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 4 means 6. We got the answer. Then move forward and we'll do the next last step. Last step means fifth now. So what is the fifth step actually? Fifth step, last column, isn't it? Let us multiply the last column. So this is the last column. 2 ones are 2. That's it. See how easily we completed. So what is the final answer? 2, 6, 9, 6. Here we'll get the 2, no? 2. This is the way of doing cross multiplication of 3 digits. Okay. So once again, I'll explain you the step. First step, just you multiply first column. Second step, first 2 columns. Third step, first all 3 columns. 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns. After completion of 3 columns, then last 2 columns, last column. That's it. This is the answer. And more one thing I want to tell you. Actually, here all results we got in single digits. All single digits only. So if you get all single digits, you can write answer like this directly. This is called single ladder multiplication. Okay, all digits you can write. But if you get any of the result as double digit, you have to simplify it. If you get any of these 5 results double digit, you have to simplify it. Then the method of simplifying I will show you in further lessons. Okay, now thank you very much.